Finally, we are here. Good morning. How do we say good morning?
Good morning. Selamat pagi.
Salamat pagi. Salamat pagi. All right, let's go, guys. Oy, actually, I forgot my drone. Can I bring the drone?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah?
But in Hanara, you must pay.
That's okay. How much? Expensive?
For drone, you can ask this.
Okay, can I have the key?
House?
Yeah, every house. Because the majority in Bali is a Hindu,
Not Islam.
not Muslim.
Because in the internet it says
Yeah, in
majority is
Indonesia.
Islam.
Yeah, in Indonesia.
In Indonesia as a whole, it's
As
Islam.
a whole.
But in Bali, it's Hinduism. Okay.
Exactly.
That's nice. Thank you. That's a good fact. So what are the common practices of Hinduism, if you don't mind, because I'm not familiar? What are their practices like in their religion?
I think.
Just pray of 3 times a day.
Yeah, 3 times. Is the temple where we stayed last night? Are they for praying?
Yeah.
Okay. And sometimes they are also there in the jungle.
Yeah.
Right?
in the jungle.
Okay.
We start pray at 6 a.m., 12 p.m., and 6 p.m.
Okay. So for you, what's your religion?
I'm Hindu.
You're Hindu. Okay.
And Hinduism does eat beef?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What religion is it? Does it eat beef?
India. In India.
In
Some in
Hindu
India.
have not all cannot eat beef, I think. Yeah.
Some can.
Yeah.
Okay. But some they don't.
Yeah.
Wow, very nice. Very nice old rustic houses. So, we were warned already, guys, na isa sa challenge kapag nag-tour tayo ng Bali is the traffic. So, right now, we chose to go somewhere far. So, though we left a little bit late, but it's okay. We feel positive about it kasi marami naman kaming nagawa, marami kaming na-accomplish ng ate ko while waiting for the car. You see outside? Is it okay to open the window?
Yeah, it's okay.
Thank you. Oh, nice. So the feel and the vibe here in Bali is really Bali, you guys. It's a lot different. You might think na parang Manila lang yan, parang Jensen lang yan. No. This what makes Bali, Indonesia unique, and this is the reason why people flock here, because of its unique culture, beauty, the architecture, and people here are very welcoming, by the way, and extremely polite. I was surprised. Kahit dun sa hotel namin, grabe, sobrang polite, sobrang sweet nila, and very warm yung welcome. Yes, very accommodating. So, yeah. Our first stop today is the
Handara Gate.
Handara Gate. Before we reach Handara Gate, do you mind telling us something about it? Why did it become one of your must visit place?
Maybe before Hana,
You know, the Handara Gate. Why did it become popular?
because iconic gate in Bali ate,
Mm.
like a heaven gate.
That like a heaven gate.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I read about that, by the way.
So many people come to
Yes.
Hana gate
To
for
stand-
the picture, only picture.
Yeah.
And
Memory.
stand on the gate, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one, I know this place is very familiar with you guys. This one is very popular in Instagram, in YouTube Shorts, in Facebook Reels, in everywhere in social media. You cannot come to Bali and not see the Handara Gate. So of course, touristi tayo. So pupuntahan natin. And yeah, come with us as we enjoy our first day in Bali. The weather is slowly changing. Let's pray that we will get Mr. Sun back again. Oh, Mr. Sun. Sun. Mr. Morning Sun. Padayon na, be?
Sana
Please.
napasama natin si ano,
Patayo na
si
gani
Madam
ka.
Ten Gibbs.
Again, oh Mr. Sun. Sun. Mr. Morning Sun.
Sananana. Sananana.
No! Please shine down on me. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Sabi ko na sa inyo tong ate ko na to talaga. Alam nyo kasi diehard vlogger din yan siya eh. Hindi niya lang mailabas pa. Antayin nyo lang guys. More than 1 hour by the way. And we are in Bedugul, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are in Bedugul area. The distance is serious, you guys. So you have to prepare. You can be productive habang nagbabiyahe. Ako kasi, I do edit the videos and I talk to my sister kapag wala akong ini-edit. Ayan, mamasid-masid kami like that one. Very nice, as you can see outside. My sister is responding to her business transaction. So, kahit na isang oras po kaming magbiyahe, it's still a very productive time.
Productive.
Ayan, hindi naman siya 100% totally na trabaho lang. We do stop here and there to be mesmerized and see what's outside of our window. Kanina ang dami naming nadaanan ng mga compound which is a traditional way or traditional compound sa Indonesia. Sobrang ganda guys. And now I believe we are at the green area. I saw a lot of fruit stands on the side na peeled and packed already. So if we can see the next one, I asked Madin na mag-stop so we can buy some fruits. Ayun. I hope we can still see one of them.
Yan ako gang ate.
Pero ito green na talaga eh. Ay, ano yan?
This one is the Hongtai inhaler na benta natin.
Okay.
Kasi kailangan ko to anti-pia hilo.
Okay.
Mahiluhin kasi ako guys, lalo na pag nagbabiyahe.
Hindi halatang mahiluhin ka sa tube top mo ha.
Hindi, syempre aura-aura. Hindi masyado handa. Ayan, kailangan ito. At saka pag nagsiselfone ako, mas lalo ako nahihilo.
Okay. So, hiluhin yung ate ko and Thailand inhalers works best with her. So, ayan, lagi siyang merong dalang inhaler. Ayun, fruit.
Okay,
Stops.
you can see.
Yeah, you can stop me in a fruit stop.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I really want to buy fruits. A fresh one? Are they fresh?
There's only mais.
No, the fresh fruits.
Okay.
Mais lang na dried. Okay, what is this? Ayan,
Okay,
strawberry.
alright. This one
Ay,
not
mani.
bad.
Strawberry.
Mani, mais.
And corn.
Yeah. I can stop?
Yeah.
Gawa sa te?
Careful.
Sama tayo ng ate ko. Lalabas tayo to buy some fruits para... Alright, so here's a local street vendor. And bibili tayo ng... Oh! Only strawberry. How much?
15,000.
15?
50.
50. Is it sweet?
Sour.
Sour? Which one is sweet?
It's strawberry, so it's not sweet.
All strawberry is sour.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yun,
Guys,
the
in
small one.
fairness mura lang siya. No, let's take this one. Mura lang siya, 50,000
Around 40 times 5. 200 pesos.
rupiah.
200 pesos.
50,000 rupiah, around 200 pesos lang. So, it's okay. Pero hindi na mainit ang ano niya.
It's a traditional chip.
Oh, the traditional chips. Dapat nagamay ko.
Made of? What is that made of?
Hindi na siya ano.
Hindi ko mag-eat.
Ah, okay. So, can I try those one? Made of what? The traditional chips is made of?
What is that made of?
Green one.
Vegetable.
Oh, nice! Okay. Eto guys, merong gulay. Traditional snack nila sa tabi ng daan. So, bibili din tayo
Let's try.
para try. And how about the other one is made of those brown ones? The other one on the side, the very brown one. That one.
What?
What's that? A fruit? A dried fruit.
Oh. Apa sila na?
Baka sila bol nung muli ito.
Kita ko dala, sure na.
Panini, sila brown nito, sila tayo lang. Ano sila kayo? Hindi sila bol na dati ni Karangap. Di China ba niya?
I don't know this one.
You don't know it?
Yeah.
No, I know it.
Is it a
purple
yam?
Potato.
It's a yam.
Yeah.
I think it's purple.
And
Yeah,
then
potato.
this one.
Banana.
Banana.
How much is this?
Banana chips.
5,000.
Oh, this.
Oh.
Actually, this is plantain. This is plantain.
Yeah. 5,000 or 20 pesos.
20 pesos. Okay. So let's try this one and then one.
What?
Yeah. This one is made of.
Flavor.
Huh?
This is a caramel, I think.
And then this one made of.
I think cassava.
Rice flour.
Yeah, rice flour.
Rice flour. Okay.
Hindi gulo.
It's okay. This one is
And
fine.
this one without sugar.
Okay. How much in all?
Ano ba? Ano? Parang strawberry.
Serious ako dito guys. Sana naman hindi tayo ma-high dito. Joke ko lang yun Don't take it seriously. Hindi ko alam kung anong dahon to. Hindi familiar sa akin yung itsura niya. Pero isa ito sa kanilang mga street snack. Street food snack na mabibili mo lang sa mga tiyanggi-tiyanggi sa daan papunta sa Andara Gate. So once again, Bidugul area, you will find the stalls
Oh, is
on
this
the
a
side.
Yeah, this is a lake view, I think.
Wow.
Left.
So try on natin to guys. Can you open for me please? And make yourself useful. Make yourself useful. Hindi ko ganyan kausapin yung ate ko behind the camera. For the joke lang yan. Tikman natin together. And ASMR. I'm high.
Are these mosques?
Yeah, masala. Yeah.
Okay, I can taste some bit of green pero mas umaagaw ng flavor yung kanyang batter na medyo crispy na siya. And I could say sa lasa niya as a crispiness niya na bagong luto siya. A little bit salty. I like that. Yeah. Gusto ko siya. 20 pesos lang to try ang kanilang strawberry. Ang pinakamatamis na strawberry na tikman ko sa buong buhay ko, 34 years, is ang strawberry ng UK. Sobrang sarap ng strawberry ng UK, guys. I swear, they were so big, they were so red, and they were so sweet. So, ito, try natin ang strawberry ng Indonesia. Specifically, Bali. So, kainin natin yung pinakamalaki bago ako maunahan ng ate ko. Strawberry. Alright, Sisi. Cheers.
Cheers. Why you give me the smallest?
Because you did not...
And you said, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah. I want to enjoy...
I think she's mad.
Gusto kong i-enjoy yung pinaghirapan mo. Kaya ako dapat yung kakain. Ano to? Puwet? Alright.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3.
Let's try.
It's not sour.
It's not sour. Let's try.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. A
Let's
little
try.
bit sour. 1 to 5. I would say 3 sweet, 2 sour.
Tolerable. It's yummy.
Yeah,
But the rich people can build the bigger ones.
Yeah.
Nice. We didn't even wash it.
It's nice. Hindi siya kumukuha ng pitaka niya guys. Sabihin niya it's nice.
Hindi lahat pumasok. Hindi pumasok yung lahat ng peso. Mabuti na lang. Mabuti na lang guys. Wala tayong lost the swipe kagabi.
Alright. Nice one. Nice experience. Last one for the road.
Okay, we are here. I think.
Oh! We're
Many
here?
people. Yeah, so many.
Finally.
Oh, that's a short travel. I want to be.
Okay, you go first. Okay, we are finally outside Dara Gate. And
Is there no men and female?
Yeah.
iihi muna yung ate ko guys kasi putok na yung pantog niya. There's no one there. Ayan. Oh, the weather is so nice. The sun is finally out. And the wind is so cool. I believe it's around 21 degrees if I'm not mistaken. It's amazing. I believe we went in a perfect season. So behind us there guys, look at that. So magical kasi meron siyang pausok-usok. So kailangan talaga nating mag-aura kasi kung hindi baka mamaya mapagkamalan nila tayong sa dako.
Of course guys, wala akong dalang pera. Si madam na naman nagbabayad.
Ay nako.
Lista mo sis.
Ano akala mo sa ballpen ko walang ink?
Yeah, I know.
Ilista ko talaga lahat.
Nakakalista, ipapakita ko sa inyong
So
listahan
magbabayad na
namin.
tayo ngayon sa Handara Iconic Gate. And what do I have to pay? The drone, the gate, and that's all.
Yeah.
For 2 people.
For 2 people.
Let me ask first how much is the price
50K.
for the drone.
No, for the entrance ticket.
Ah, okay. Hello. Salamat Pagi. Did I say it right? Morning. 2 person and I have a drone. How much do you ask? For both. For my entrance plus the drone. And then my sister. With drone. Okay, that's okay. Let me pay 250 plus the drone.
Handara Iconic Gate is actually an entrance to Handara Golf Resort. This resort was built in 1974 by Ibnu Sutowo, known as the father of golf in Indonesia. To share his passion of golf and to provide employment for the local community, Handara was named after his youngest daughter. Oh, like Mayumi. The resort is located on a higher altitude. Kaya pala malamig na dito, guys. Since 2016, the gate has become renowned thanks to Instagram and social media. Bali became a favorite. This Handara Iconic Gate became Bali's favorite landmarks. Okay, one of the
Favorite landmark. So, finish? Thank you. Number 17. That's 1 hour wait. Okay, thank you. How do we know that it's our turn? Okay, 79. Number 79 kami. That's all right? Alright, thank you. So the entrance fee per person here is around 50,000 or 50,000 is how much?
40 times 5, 200 pesos.
Okay, 50,000 rupiah or 200 pesos each person para makapasok dito sa Handara Gate. And but if you have a drone, you have to pay 200,000 rupiah or around 500 pesos naman. That is plus 1 free entrance na siya. So I paid for my drone para makalipad tayo ng drone dito. While we are waiting guys, kasi it turns out na meron palang pila dito sa Handara Gate. kasi marami talaga yung nagpapapicture. So while waiting for your turn, you have your queue number. We are number 79. Did you tell them that we are number 79? We take at once.
Number 79.
They're not here yet, right? Otherwise, I cannot refund my money. Alright, let me... Look at them, guys. They're so cute. So, some couples stand there. Sometimes, if wala kang partner, syempre guys, mag-isa ka lang. Ano yung ate kong bida-bida na gaganda-gandahan sa kanyang magandang dress from Sheena Bangkok Wardrobe. Maddie, can I have the drone? Thank you. Thanks. Let me fly from here. Alright, let's take a look up close kung ano yung nangyayari dito. Kasi, you know, sometimes nakikita niyo yung Instagram pictures na lang, na ang ganda-ganda na. So basically, meron din silang mga freelancer photographer that gives that effect sa photo if you want it to look extra more special. But you have to top up sa payment sa mga photographers na mismo, other than your entrance fee. So katulad nung si Madam na nakapayong ng blue, she's the one taking the photos of those couple. Kasi they already know the right angle, they already know the perfect spot where you can stand, and then meron silang pa-effect yung parang water reflection, pero actually I believe that's just a glass. Though hindi ko naman nakikita ang ginagamit nila, so I don't know how they do it really. So number 79 kami, it's now number 54. If you can wait, pwedeng magkuha ng pictures somewhere in front of the Handara gate opening. But if, yan, kasi resort yan siya sa loob guys eh. Ayan. At dahil resort siya, normally meron talagang lumalabas-pasok na mga magagandang chikot. Hanggang sweet ng mga couple. Ayan guys, Korean couple. So cute nila. Oh, nag-jump sila. So once again, as I was saying, if you don't have yet your number being called, pwede dito magpa-picture sa harapan. Basta wag lang dun sa banda sa unahan para hindi mo madistorbo yung mga tao na nakapila na for their queue. Like that. Alright. But they were so open about it naman. They were saying na if you want to take a picture around the area, it's okay. Pero people come here really to take a photo exactly sa entrance ng Handara Gate. Hindi kahit saan dito na puno or bulaklak. So that is the most awaited part. Would I say that this is worth it? This place is worth it? Let me see. According sa kanyang story and its history, if you want to really see and stand up on that gate, since napakaganda ng storya niya, go ahead. But if you prefer more adventure and more active na activity while taking photos or drone shots, maybe this place is not for you. Because basically guys, it is an entrance gate to a resort. And all those filters made those photos extra dramatic and extra special. But for me, I'm okay. I want to experience this one and cross it out from my bucket list. So let's go do it.
Oh my God.
In fairness.
Oh my God, my cats. OMG, my cats. She's so cute.
Ba't siya naka-gown?
Hindi, ganyan talaga nandito. Nandito sa
Ba't ang ganda ng likod niya? Tapos ang tone pa ng katawan niya.
Oh, gonna be workout yan.
Ganda naman ng arms niya. May pataas-taas pa ng kamay. Ang puti ng kilikili. Ang balingkinitan pa guys.
Ana, okay?
Ang ganda.
Compose, ana. So, magdemo na tagpo.
Ayun na, bibili niyo yan guys sa mall. Ito sa Recto lang to. Natutuwa ako sa mga nakagaon. I love it. I'm happy. I'm happy watching them. I'm just joking guys, and I was appreciating them in a sarcastic way, of course. Huwag naman tayo masyadong seryoso. I appreciate her. Ang ganda. She's so confident. And yung mga mag-asawa, nag-hug. Kanina merong nag-propose. Ako dito, tamang smile lang.
Paglibak lang.
Tamang tingin lang ng mga suot nila, up and down, head to foot. Kala mo naman gundo-gundo. Ay, si kuya tumalon. Go kuya, kaya mo yan. Higher. Higher. Like that. Jump higher. Go. Like that. Very good. Very good kuya. You did that jump shot. Ay na naman, dumaan na naman si... Magmaritas tayo dito ng konti kung paano sila nagpipicture with the mirror. Ay, ang cute. Cute nila. Oh, so that's how it's going to look like, guys. Cute guys, kasi kunyari yan si photographer, yung naka-brown ng jacket, meron siyang hawak na salamin. So the salamin actually is the game changer of the very nice shot of this Handara Gate. Kasi yan yung nagre-resulta ng napakagandang reflection. So titingnan natin mamaya kung ma-achieve natin. Ayan, sa kamay niya meron siyang hawak na salamin. That one on her other hand. Nice, and everyone is excited to have their turn. Ang ganda. Hanap na tayo ng inspo. Nag-inspo ka pa ng post mo, tapos hindi rin pala nasunod, no? As in, one day nyo lang kaming sundan?
Bakit mo kami sinundan?
Bakit mo kami sinundan?
Kasi maningil ako sa'yo, 10 gigs.
Hanggang sa Bali? No way! It's okay, we are number 79 guys. Wow, look at the outfit. Ayusin nyo mag-post ha.
Is this
Wow,
nice or
nice.
will change? I got
What's that? Pair. Ayan guys, hanggang din si Mayub. Sana all may
70.
Sana all may budget pang international. Number 79. Kasi wala na kaming 69. Hindi na uso dito yung 69. So 79 na kami guys. And right now it's number 62. And why are they here? We will tell you later after nito. Dahil ngayon ako'y magpre-prepare para sa kanilang drone shot. Alam niyo naman, nakakahiya naman sa nagbayad ng trip na to. Leaving this place. Ayan, tabi muna tayo. Pero aalis na tayo. Iiwan na natin ang Handara Iconic Gate. Dahil now, pasado alas 12 na po ng tanghali. Sa dami ng pila talaga guys. So if you are patient with the line, that's okay. Pero kung ayaw nyong mabuang at mabughat sa kahihintay, magbaon na lang kayo ng masima-sima ninyo. So let's go na for our... Alright guys, for lunch we requested for a total local cuisine of Bali. So right now, andito na tayo sa kanilang local restaurant. Okay, let's see. Okay. So late na tayo for lunch but all is good. Buhay pa ang all. Nasaan na yung mga kasama ko dito? Right, lunch na tayo guys. And for lunch, dito kami sa may buffet. So, meron tayo ditong various meat. Merong chicken, merong fish, merong vegetable, at saka syempre kanin konti, gulay, at prutas. So, hindi naman nalalayo no, sa pagkain Pilipino. So, kain lang tayo. Ayan na sila Madam Ten Gives. Enjoying the strawberry of Bali.
Guys, ang sarap. Legit. Parang chorizo pero tuna. 720,000. So there's a tax for 72,000, 10% of this, and service 10%, 72. The total is 864,000.
Grabe, malapit sa 1,000,000, bay!
Grabe.
Ang
Dito
aming
kayo
lunch.
kumain, guys. Grabe kalami.
Ang sarap ng buffet nila.
Mentary restaurant near Ulun. Basta.
So yung bill namin guys, 864,000 rupiah. It's around 3,000 pesos para sa aming lahat. Basically 500 kada unlimited buffet per head. Ayun. So okay na, goods na, busog na din kami. So let's go na and yeah, we'll see.
Yan, actually.
It's not working. Thank you very much. Alright guys. And I am back after a very big lunch. And who can say that a food in Bali, Indonesia is hard to love? Sobrang sarap, in fairness naman. At nang nagustuhan ko doon, balance, merong prutas, merong gulay, merong karne, merong sabaw, merong dessert. Syempre, buffet wag kang bobo ba? Kaya nga buffet kasi kompleto. So ngayon nandito tayo sa Ulundano Beratan Temple. And we cannot use our drone here. So you cannot see this from up there guys. You can only see it from down here. At ito po ay isang temple. So this is a sacred place for the locals where they worship, they spend their time together as a family. More of the story about the place we will know later. So eto guys, sa likod ko is another spot that is popular for tourists to take photos with. And this place, Ulundano Temple, is one of the famous place of worship ng mga Hindus dito sa Bali, Indonesia. So, what are we going to do right now is I'm going to line up with my family here. Kasi parang tinatakwil na nila ako guys. So, maglinya tayo dito tabi nila para isama naman nila ako sa picture.
Sige.
Yung ate ko, ano yun? So, dito tayo oh.
One, two, wala pa, balik.
Ang ganda ng sky.
Go. Go.
Wow. Di ba dapat 5 steps away? Very nice and very calming landscape. Kasi yung landscape niya kasali sa lake. Pataba sa lupa. And people here just walk around. A picture. Ganun. Oh, holding hands. Holding my bag. On the wall. Forever. Face the wall. Okay, another place to take photo is this one. So when you see a nice spot para magpa-picture, people are really lining up for it. As you can see guys, mahaba-haba po ang pila natin dito. Para po kaming kukuha ng pagkain sa buffet ulit. So, let's go and wait. Hello! Ayan guys, may nakita na naman yung ate ko na pagtatapunan niya ng kanyang pera at salapi at pinaghirapan. Samantalang ako dito sa gilid, hindi niya ako pinapansin.
Swerte mo talaga, nakasali ka sa prenup namin today.
Ah, wow! Oh my gosh! Oh, you're the maid?
Yeah, the maid of honor.
You make sure you work hard, maid.
You want to wear something?
Yes, flower girl.
We have that. Nakapatong Thailand na kung anak ba? Sure.
Nag-avail po si Madam Ten Gives ng kanya.
This one, prenup.
Wow, prenup pala.
They will going to shot us.
Yes.
And we're going-
Fix your hair nicely.
Yeah.
Can your hair look like that also with a
Yeah,
big
yeah.
crown? Not like this when it's falling down.
Okay.
It's better to do like this.
Okay, it will be covered with corona.
Yes. Then my sister, Sheena,
Ashley, what
I
do you
think
want
she's
to
going to
wear?
choose this one.
It's only 100k oh.
Yeah,
400
cheap.
pesos.
400 pesos only.
Oh, be, ikaw be, oh, be. Be, liquid, be. Nana ka diri. Nana.
Ari sa yaha, oh, aring off shoulder.
Pangkasal na.
Oh, really? No, pwede, oy. Ari, I like this one, green. But you have to have a flat tummy.
Mauna ka mag-take a bit.
The place around, I won't be far
Okay,
away.
you come back, okay?
You look good in that shade. I want to showcase So, meron silang place dito na special for photo shoot. Especially prenup or may mga event. But they closed it for private purpose only. So, sa mga nagbabayad lang pa-picture. Ayan. In fairness naman talaga, guys, it looks very religious when talking about the culture of Indonesia. So, you know, when you travel, talagang gusto mo lagi nakukuha mo yung kanilang mga bagay na they are already well known for. And pero ako kahit na wala masyadong ganong picture ha, ano ko lang, ma-enjoy ko lang yung view, ma-sink in lang sa akin na nandito ako sa Bali. Ano ba yan, madam? Yan, boring naman ang buhay mo. Ganun lang talaga, guys. Mahirap madali lang yung aking kaligayahan. Ang gaganda, guys, ang kanilang mga pagoda style. Ayun, sa likod natin. And the weather is perfect. Some sunshine, the sky is clear, it's windy, it's around 21-22 degrees. So, you're happy. So, let's see the transformation ng aking mga kapatid before and after. Alright, anong ginagawa nila sa loob?
Ayan, si
Nagbibihis
Madam
na.
nagbibihis. Si Jerry, ito ready na.
Wow!
Wow.
Ayan na, ready na sila for picture for the head. And then si Madam 10 Gibbs, guys, palabas na din. And then si Madam Sheena din ang susunod. So, antayin lang natin sila. So, ganito kasi, ito yung kanilang local. Ito ang kanilang local. Tawag nito, guys.
The makeup is included or no?
Local clothes, traditional clothing ng Bali or ng Indonesia. Indonesia? Wow, grabe. Ready na may mag-ihaw, ane. Mag-ihaw on the north. Kaya ay. Madam, how's the long gown? Hala, that's true. Wow. It's actually true.
Wow, so true.
You make sure you take nice photos. And we're waiting for your mom. Meron palang marami ditong mga accessories, guys. Merong sing-sing, merong hair, merong bracelet. Wow. Yan mo sa siya assist. Nakasandal ka na. Shoes. Nalagay sa lalaki. Earrings na lang.
The boys have earrings.
Accessories.
I want it to, ang tawag din nito.
Call for prayer na, guys. Medyo pagod na tayo kasi kulang pa tayo sa tulog. I just got like 4 hours of sleep and I really want to sleep. Pero kailangan pa namin pumunta sa isang market after this, which I'm looking forward to. Pero bago ang lahat, ayan, nagpe-pictorial muna yung aking mga kapatid na nagaganda-gandahan. I am waiting for my sister. Pero si Madam 10 Gibbs ay nandito na at apakaganda. Wow! Also, and Mr. Jerry what?
Om Swastiastu. Om Swastiastu.
Om Swastiastu. Dua mo ni Jerry, dali mo together. Om Swastiastu. 1, 2, 3, go.
Swastiastu.
Nagsurya si Jerry. Turn around and one turn around na lang. One turn around. Wow, nice. Very Bali, Indonesia. Wow.
What?
No. Iniring. Ang ganda ng damit mo, Madam 10 Gibbs.
Thank you so much.
Dapat meron kang exposure sa vlogs episode kasi na-miss ka nila.
10 gives to guys.
Pero grabe yung corona mo ha, in
Yeah.
fairness. 10 kilo.
Alam nyo ba ano ako sa Pilipinas?
Ah.
Ako isang suwaki.
Bakit sako?
Saki aka. Abi na ako isa kang diwata.
Hindi, iba na ang mukha ni Diwata ngayon.
Diwata ng
So,
pares.
encantada lang ako.
Encantada ka. Ayan na guys. So now the photographer is directing them paano mag-pose. So multi-purpose na tong pa-picture ni Madam Ten Gibbs dito. Una, remembrance daw nila. Ikalawa, prenup. Prenup. Ano ka? Si Kong tsaka si V. Wow. Huwag kayo magninong at ninang dito guys. Magastos. Wow. Effort na effort. At andyan ang madrasta. Ayan. Ayan ang ang madrasta sa lupa. Wow. May patingin-tingin pa ha. Pasulyap ka. Kunwari. Patingin-tingin sa akin. Di maintindihan. Ibig ko sabihin. Ha? Just acting. Ayan na ang madrasta ng bayan. Wow! Here comes the bride, all dressed in white. Da-da-da-da. Ayaw na wala mo na ilabot sa inyong family. Gani, tulo lang man. Mag-tiktok pa mo talo, dali lang kayo mag-tiktok pa mo tatlo. Mamili sa akong TikTok. Videohan sa nakon siya, mahilak ni Ron. Asa naman to si Bibi nga ng luya naman to. Pakananag ano be. Tatong akong energizer diha. Ayan na. Ayan. Isa din to sa ginagawa ni Madam Sheena. Every time na nagta-travel siya, she always makes sure na nasusuot niya yung costume ng isang bansa. So she has one from Thailand. Ngayon naman from Indonesia. Hindi ko alam kung nag-try siya ng Singapore. I don't believe so. Smile nga tarong, dili awkward smile.
Smile kita.
Nan. Nalang man day nang walay utang nga smile. Doon ka talaga sa smile na parang may utang ka. Fix your hair please. Yeah. Sa at the back. Iputang na lang tanan sa likod. Tapos sa dalunggan. Okay. Okay na, Nan. Ayaw kayo na ang tambok gaana.
Laki sa mukha. Wala na, patikot na.
Epal man siya, uy. Wait lang. Okay, fine. Excuse me. Alright guys, last activity namin ngayon is etong Wanagiri Hidden Hill Valley. My sister doesn't want to miss this one because they are very well known for amazing human nest as you can see from the outside. So magbabayad lang tayo ng entrance. Hello, for 2 people please.
People, you can pay 100 for 1 people.
100 for 1 people. Okay?
You get an spot picture like this.
Yes. Who's going to take picture? You have someone there?
Yeah, you have
Someone who helped.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And for how many person?
Only 2 please.
Okay, you can pay.
Salamat.
Salamat. Yeah, salamat po.
Salamat. Ayan guys. Well, the entrance itself is very very Instagrammable. Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ang ganda! Ay, sorry. Magbihis pala muna kami. Sorry. Ang ganda, guys. Okay, let's take a photo first. Let's change first and then we'll get back to you shortly. Ayan guys, in fairness, parang hindi lang siya nakakatakot ha, pero sobrang nakakatakot po talaga siya. So you have to really hold tight kasi hindi siya katulad dun sa sitio Maupot na they have a safety belt Ayan. So, yan. Kapag inuutusan nila yung yung model, may naghahawak lang. Hold tight, really, really tight. But I swear, with my soul, guys, this place is a must-see when you come here in Bali. I cannot even have any words for you. Just looking at this twin lake. Amazing. Amazing. I could stay here. Is there any accommodation here?
Yeah.
Which area is this again?
This is Wanagiri.
What which day can we stay here that is closer to our activity? The Seminyak one? No.
No, ate.
How about before we go back to the airport? No? Far?
No, far.
I like to stay where we can see the
You
twin
can
lake.
glamping here. Like a glamping.
Which place can we check in that we can see this lake?
I can say.
Wow. I would like to wake up in one morning, guys, na nakikita ko ang ganito ka stretch mo lang kayang back fat. Ganito ka kalma yung tubig. It makes you feel calm as well. Oh my God, nanindog akong balahibo. Makes you feel calm as well. Yung ate ko, ako yung natatakot kasi pag nahulog ka dyan, guys, ayan, sa tubo po yung bagsak mo. Hindi ka mahuhulog sa pag-ibig, kundi sa mga tubo. So anyway, this is what they call the Twin Lake. Very famous. At first, sabi ko, wag na, okay lang, lake na lang naman yan. Pero, look at that. Look at that. Sheena Bangkok wardrobe, good job. Okay. Nice. Where do we go next? Sabi ni Manong, marunong na si Manong magtagalog. Sabi niya dito, baka mahulog. Baka daw mahulog si ate niyo, guys.
No, she has 3 kids. 4 kids.
Alright guys, we might not do this enough justice sa pictures, pero...
Tayo.
Ha?
Ginawa na lang tayo.
Okay. Pero in real life talaga, it's breathtaking. So don't depend too much dun sa mga photos na i-upload ko, pero sa videos guys, kasi sobra talaga. And sunset here is mesmerizing. Nauubusan na talaga ako ng guys, ng description, ng adjectives. Alright. Okay. Alright guys, approved! Tapos na naman tayo sa Managiri Hidden Hill with the Twin Lake. Ayun, sobrang saya, nag-enjoy ako, sobrang ganda. Very, very worth it. Ang entrance fee, mamaya pag-usapan natin para meron kayong idea. And then, lalagyan natin ng pictures attached para meron din kayong idea. So, dito sa Managiri, there's a lot of human nest and swing. I think around 8 different poses or 8 different human nest at swing. Pero it's up to you if you want to do it or not. Kasi for us, some of them look the same. So, and it's getting so cold, guys. You know, pag walang nagmamahal sa atin, doble yung lamig. So, let's go have our dinner. We are going to meet now Madam Ten Gives and the rest of my sisters and my brother-in-law para kumain na tayo at magpalamon na ng local food ng Bali. Let's go!